Unlimited Love is the upcoming 12th studio album by the American rock band Red Hot Chili Peppers, which will be released through Warner Records on April 1, 2022. It was produced by Rick Rubin, his first album with the band since I'm With You. It is also the first Red Hot Chili Peppers album with guitarist John Frusciante since Stadium Arcadium. Frusciante left the band for the second time in 2009, but returned in 2019, replacing Josh Klinghoffer, who appeared on the two previous albums. The first single, Black Summer, was released on February 4, 2022, backed by a music video directed by Deborah Chow. Following the tour in support of their 2016 album, The Getaway, the band began the process of writing songs for their follow-up album with guitarist Josh Klinghoffer. Singer Anthony Kiedis and bassist Flea, however, realized something wasn't clicking. It was going slowly and without a real definitive drive to it. It was just sort of meandering, and then both Flea and I had a zeitgeist of a feeling inside of ourselves independently, which was, it would be really nice to involve John somehow in this process. It had been a long time, and he was making himself known in our circles again after having been in his very own circle, Kiedis said. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.